The SIMO Solis Lite 4G LTE Wi-Fi mobile hotspot provides reliable local and international coverage with multi-carrier access without the need for a SIM card or contract. It allows up to 10 devices to connect simultaneously, making it perfect for staying connected on the go. This portable hotspot includes 1 GB of lifetime data per month and supports fast, secure internet access for travelers, remote workers, and more. Compact and easy to use, it's an ideal solution for seamless connectivity anywhere in the world. The Muka H13 True HEPA air purifier is designed for large rooms up to 1,200 square feet, making it ideal for bedrooms, homes with pets, or common living spaces. Equipped with a powerful H13 HEPA filter, it efficiently removes smoke, odors, dander, pollen, and other airborne pollutants, ensuring cleaner air. The added fragrance sponge allows you to infuse your space with pleasant scents. With a timer feature and a quiet operation, this air purifier offers customizable, hassle-free air purification for a healthier living environment, perfect for homes with allergies or sensitivities. The Sainlogic wireless weather station is a 9-in-1 system that provides comprehensive weather data, including temperature, air pressure, humidity, wind speed, rainfall, and moon phases. Equipped with an outdoor sensor, it delivers real-time readings, helping you track weather conditions with ease. The station also features a weather forecast, alarm clock, and various display modes. Ideal for home use, this wireless setup is simple to install and offers accurate weather insights without requiring Wi-Fi. Perfect for weather enthusiasts or those needing reliable environmental monitoring at home. The TEEHO TE001 keyless entry door lock offers convenience and security with its smart deadbolt design, perfect for front doors. Featuring a keypad for keyless entry and 2 backup keys, it provides flexible access options. The auto lock function ensures your door automatically locks after a set time, adding peace of mind. With an easy DIY installation process and a sleek satin nickel finish, this lock combines modern security with style, making it a great choice for homes looking to upgrade their front door lock system. The 2024 upgraded Ultrasonic Pest Repeller is an effective and eco-friendly solution for keeping pests like mice, insects, and rodents away. Designed for indoor use, this set of 6 repellers is perfect for homes, kitchens, offices, warehouses, and hotels. It uses advanced ultrasonic technology to repel pests without the need for harmful chemicals or traps. Easy to install and covering a wide area, it provides continuous protection to ensure a pest-free environment. Ideal for those seeking a safe, non-toxic alternative to traditional pest control methods.